SampLab is diving headfirst into the AI world with text-to-sample, a sort of ChatGPT type of program to create sounds and loops. It uses Meta's Music Gen at its core, which was trained with the collections of Meta Music Initiative, Shutterstock and Pond5 Music. It's free, but how free to use it is it? More on that later in this video. First, how does this work? It is AI based, but it runs on your computer either standalone or as a VST3 plugin. It is really simple to use. Just type in a prompt and let text-to-sample do its thing. If you have found something you like, you can let text-to-sample continue on that. Let me extend the time. Sounds awesome. Let's do another prompt. Hey, this one is actually not too bad. For some reason every prompt ends not nicely on a bar and is rather cut short. I would prefer if you could use bars and beats instead of seconds. Let's try a variation on this prompt. Pretty horrible. It really is trial and error to get a decent result. Okay, back to how free you can use text-to-sample. Well, let's read the small print on that. This is released under Creative Commons license BY-NC 4.0. It reads: "You may not use the material for commercial purposes." So does that mean I cannot use it to talk about DistroKid, the sponsor of this video? Maybe you have created a fast, uplifting drum and bass beat. And you want to use the fast and easy way DistroKid offers to upload your music onto streaming platforms like Spotify and Apple Music. Or you have created a waltz in the key of A with a great bass line. And you really want to keep all 100% of the royalties you can earn with DistroKid. I would at least give DistroKid a try and see why so many artists are using DistroKid to distribute their music. Get 7% off of your first year by using my link in the description of this video. How it looks right now, text-to-speech is mostly a tech demo. It absolutely does not replace musicians, and SampLab also states that this is not intended to do so in any form. You best use an Apple M1 or a proper GPU when running this. It is GPU optimized, not CPU. So have fun with it in your home, in your attic or basement. Play around, don't release anything and so on. Use it as an inspiration for your own tracks, where you recreate the sounds text-to-sample creates. I'm curious to see where this technology will lead us in the long term. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, please leave a like or dislike, and I will see you in the next video.